Okay.
Look at somebody wants in. Are you hungry, sir?
Look at you.
Look how
Okay,
easy
so
he came
it just
over.
rolls.
It just rolls.
Yeah, that's how we can leave.
Hey.
How's it going?
That's how we roll.
Does it say keep out on the other side of the?
No, we got to switch the gate.
Well, a lot of good it does for us.
What they're supposed to be doing.
We're supposed to be keeping out from outside.
Okay, you want to show me the other gate? Okay, show them how it works, babe, so that I can send this to Addie.
Rolling down the road.
Look at, because we have
we
like
gotta-
it's like Halloween and
We got to put a drill
well, I
hole.
was just looking. I was scared too.
We got to put a hole through there and put a bolt in it so to
Okay.
keep the wheel straight.
Okay.
So we got to keep out of that side?
No, it's on the wrong side.
Right, if this gets that stuff right here, that's fine.
Hotel California?
Hotel California.
That's fine right there, man. What do you do about this? This part right
Babe, where'd you go?
here. This is still wide open.
Anyways, they're working on it.
It's gonna have to be